In this video, we will show you how to set date and time manually on Windows 11. To set date and time manually, you can just right click on this corner, okay, and right click with click adjust date and time. After that, the time and language with date and time will open. You can toggle off the set time automatically, okay. So the set update and time manually will activate here. Just disable this, and after that you can change the date, and for example like this, and the time is like this, and you can click change. Now you successfully change date and time manually on Windows 11. Okay, it's very easy. After that, if you want to set date and time on the current time, you can just toggle on again the set time automatically. So the date and time will synchronize. That's all tutorial how to change date and time manually on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.